Morning guys, Ed here. This is my dollar index analysis for the 30th of July 2012. As usual, we get started on the weekly chart, and as you know, last week we made a higher high and a lower low compared to the previous week's bar. We came right off of the last level of resistance that I had marked on my charts, which was 84.20, off of that right off of that level, and pushed all the way down to make a lower low compared to the previous bar. So what I'd like to point out is this divergence on the stochastics. So you can see that we are making higher highs on price action. So in the price action we're making higher highs, whereas stochastics we've actually created a lower high, and we are sort of pushing down. So that's to me that's indicating a possible reversal. We are on a swing basis on the weekly chart. We are making higher highs, but it is slowing down. So we could be seeing a push down in the next few weeks. So we'll see. Now, at the moment, price action on the weekly chart, we are on the daily, sorry, on the weekly 5 EMA. So this week just seems like the most likely scenario will be a sort of a bar like this. So a push up, a push down, and then we just find ourselves back in the middle. So I am expecting somewhat of a ranging week, but we'll see what happens. Let's move down to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, you can see this is the zone that we came off of, pushed all the way down, and this is I spoke on Friday about this being the first level of support that I'm expecting to sort of hold. We did overshoot it, but we came right back into it. So at the moment we are extended off of the daily 5 EMA. So I'm expecting a push up to that initially before we attempt to push down and push down from this level. Maybe if we break it, then the next level of support I'm expecting to see around about here, which is the 82 level. So yeah, 82 to 82.10, 15, around about there. So push up to here. Now we have made a nice swing move, so we could, if we do penetrate this 5 EMA, which would mean that the momentum has stopped, I would expect a swing fib move up to about here somewhere, which is mid, so 83.30 to 83.50, mid 83s basically. Let me just get rid of that. So mid 83s from where I'm expecting people to start shorting again, shorting the dollar again. So that's it on the daily chart. Let's move on to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, it's a bit more precise. With the trend lines and the price action, you can see that we ended up right within the long zone, my first level of support on the dollar last week. So it did get longed here. You can see this. This is my projection. So I will stick with the projection. Just make a little adjustment to it because the swing was actually bigger than it was when I created the projection initially. So I'm gonna adjust the projection and make this would be my level of my short zone from where I'd feel very comfortable shorting. Again, it's the same as the one on the daily, 83.30 to 83.50, so mid 83s. I'll feel comfortable shorting this, at least to try and push it back down to a double bottom or make a new low on a swing basis. So I would be expecting to do something like this. Now, by the time we get up here, It's at least 24 hours, I guess. So this is quite it'll be quite a wait. Now the aggressive shorts might come in at the 38.2 level, so um, we could get a short attempt from here, and then we see what happens, whether we make a new low or whether we double bottom again. So I'm looking at these two levels as potential um, short attempts from here on the dollar. I already have positions from up here long on the pound and the euro, so which I have scaled, but I will be looking to add to those, and some sort of reversal patterns I will get into on either one of these two levels. But at the moment, it is very tough to get in because we find ourselves in middle ground, and it could go either up or down from here. It seems more likely to go up to to uh, at least gather some more shorters. Moving on to the hourly chart, and the hourly chart, you can see my two projections from Friday. I expected a push up to 38.2 and then a push down. Now what actually happened? We got the push up, and then we had a push down straight to my first level of support, which got bounced. Then we got a Fibonacci retracement, and then another push. So um, I actually traded both of these. I had a short on the dollar at break even. I scaled it. Then I put a long on the dollar at got it to break even, scaled that, and then the short ended up working out better. And my half position got taken out here at 0. So pretty good day on Friday, and I am expecting uh, a ranging day today with my first level of resistance at the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. What I haven't done is I haven't adjusted my swing Fibonacci. So here we go. Now, because this is the latest swing, we can see that our first short zone will be at between 83.10 and 83.30, and my big long zone will be just above that, between the one we have on the 4-hour chart. So this is my short zone. Sorry, this is my short zone on the hourly chart, whereas the my short zone on the 4-hour chart is just above it. You can see my short zone on the 4-hour chart here. So I will have an attempt off of this short zone, depending on price action giving me a nice reversal signal, like a high test bar or something similar. We'll have a look at where the pivots are in a second. Notice how the stochastics are overbought at this level, so we could get a push down, but it just seems unlikely at the moment. And this would give me I'd have a lot of confidence shorting from here, and even more confidence shorting from the mid 83. So I'm not looking to long the dollar at the moment, and let's move on to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart again. This is the plan I had from Friday, which worked out pretty well. And daily pivot, central pivot today is at 82.67, R1 at nearly 83. So R1 could prove to be a decent opportunity at R1 to take this short back down to the daily pivot. That could be a trade plan that works out today. If we do break R1, then I am expecting a push into this short zone here, from where I would short it, at least back down to the to the to R1. So with the stop loss just above there, about 16, 17 pips, 23 pip take profit. So I will be looking for these two. I'm not looking to. I do expect a ranging day. I'm not looking. I'm not expecting too much. Uh, a big move to happen is basically what I'm saying. So I will be looking to take this short from here, or if we do push down initially, then I will be looking to long in at least up to R1, as I'm expecting a ranging day. I'm trading support and resistance today. So that's it from me for now, and thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Good luck with your trading.